If you're in a relationship and you want your partner to love only you, this video is for you. Okay? If you're in a relationship and you want your partner to love only you, you don't want to share your partner with anybody, you just want your partner or to yourself, this video is for you. Okay? I will share with you how you can do that by using honey and lemon. Only these two items. Okay, I know you must have been asking, how can this be possible? I will share with you. I will teach you step by step on how you can use it and make it happen. Okay, so if you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Gideon and I share spiritual tips here in this channel. Please do all to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like my teaching. Okay, if you want to make your partner love only you, if you want to bring the whole of the attention of your partner only to yourself, you need to do this. Okay, now how do you do this? You need to get honey, original honey, not fake one. Okay, and you need to get lemon, one lemon. Okay, now how do you do this? This lemon, now you are going to peel out the green parts, like the back like this. Let me show you. Okay, the back like this. You are going to peel them out. Peel them out very well. Okay, once you peel them out, you are going to soak it inside the honey. Okay, soak it in the honey and then dry that lemon, the back that you have peeled. Okay, it can take you 4 to 5 days to dry, but make sure you dry it very well. Okay, dry it very well. Try your best to dry them very well. Once you have dried them, you are going to grind it in the powdered form. Make sure you dry it very well. Make sure you dry it very well so that you can be able to grind them. Okay, you grind them into powdered form. You grind them into powdered form. Okay, anytime you want to rub a cream, take a little pinch of that powdered lemon that you have grinded together with the honey. Add a little on the cream that you want to rub on your body. Okay, and once you are rubbing on that body, once you're rubbing that cream on your body, call the name of your partner 4 good times. Okay, call his or her name 4 good times, that they should love only you. Say your intention, that's what I mean. Okay, and use it and rub on your body. Mix it together with a little of your cream and rub it on your body. Okay, once you do this, anywhere that your partner is, once he sights you, once he hear your name, they will be so eager to see, talk with you, do things with you. They will be so attracted to you. Okay, they will not think of any other person. They will not be thinking of any other person apart from you. Okay, they will be so obsessed with you. Okay, so this is how you can do it. This is how you can make it possible, by using just honey and lemon. And this spiritual experiment doesn't have a time where you can do it. You can do it any time that you are comfortable to do this. Okay, but make sure that you dry that lemon very well. Mix it together with honey before you dry it and grind it in a powdered form. Anytime you want to rub your cream, take a little pinch of that lemon powder and add in your cream and rub it. Okay, this will attract your man so bad to you. This will attract your partner so much to you that they cannot think of any other person apart from you. Okay, try this and see how it works, and don't forget to share your testimony. Okay, if you have any question that you want to ask, use the comment section so that I will explain it more better for you. So this is what I want to share with you guys in today's video. Please make sure that you try this and don't forget to share your testimony. So see you guys in my next video. Bye.